Welcome to this fantastic estate in sought-after Dundee Hills, in the heart of wine country, a destination point known for world-class dining and hundreds of wineries. The long private driveway takes you to this serene and versatile property, which includes a huge indoor gym or event space. Spanning between the main home and guest quarters, you'll find more than 3,900 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Discover vaulted and 9-foot ceilings, tons of natural light, and cozy fireplaces. Neutral tile flooring flows into the spacious kitchen, featuring abundant storage, a built-in KitchenAid oven, built-in wine rack, and Insta-hot water. The family room could make an excellent office or bedroom. Relax in the spacious vaulted main-level master suite and enjoy heated tile flooring, double sinks, a jetted tub, and tiled shower. You'll also find amazing storage in the laundry room. On the upper level, you'll find private, flexible spaces, plus 2 large bedrooms, a full bath, and a study space or storage area. Savor evenings with family and friends on your entertaining deck. Tend to your large enclosed garden, or unwind in the hot tub. Explore the paved trails and discover a perfect location for outdoor weddings. The self-contained guest quarters even has its own laundry, and the full-size heated basketball court with surround sound could be an amazing wedding venue or bonus space with more than 3,100 square feet. Plus, you'll find a 38 by 17-foot RV garage or shop. Future vineyard views and the lower fence property area would suit livestock as well. An exceptional wine country estate in Dundee Hills. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Maria Di Lorenzo Smith or Tiffany Ryder with Premier Property Group.